Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to post on Instagram in your laptop without Instagram app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your browser. Now search your Instagram login. Now here you can see Instagram. Login Instagram. Here is your Instagram. If you want to post something on your Instagram, then press on create. Now press on select from computer. Now select your post. Now press on open. Press on next. Here you can edit your post. Now press on next. Now give a caption of your post. Here you can put your location too. Now press on share. So this is how you can post on Instagram in your laptop without Instagram app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.